Hello everyone, our today's lesson is writing CV with cover letter for the post of computer operator. The link of this CV is given in the description box of this video. Suppose Notepad Academy is looking for a computer operator. You have seen the job post on the Facebook page of Notepad Academy. You are willing to apply for the post. Now write a CV with a cover letter for the post of computer operator. Cover letter. September 14, 2022. The team leader, Notepad Academy, Uttara, Dhaka. Subject, application for the post of computer operator. Dear sir, in response to your recent advertisement, I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the post of computer operator. I have long 5 years of experience as a computer operator. As a computer operator, my main job is to compose documents using MS Word. I also can work using Excel and can create presentations with the help of PowerPoint. Some of my strengths related to the job of computer operator are mentioned below. Apart from MS Word, I also have basic knowledge and skill in PowerPoint and Excel. My typing speed is 50 words per minute. I can change the Word file to different formats such as PDF according to the necessity. Sincere and dedicated to my work. Basic knowledge and skills in Photoshop and Illustrator. Can work under pressure. This job is not only my profession but also my passion. According to the terms and conditions are written in the job description, I enclosed my CV, photocopies of my educational and training certificates, and photocopy of my experience certificate with the application for your kind consideration. Considering my experience and skill, I hope you will call me for an interview at your convenient time. Looking forward to hearing from you. Sincerely, Rabbi Mir. Now CV, curriculum vitae of Rabbi Mir, address, current address, mobile, email. Objective, to be a good computer operator to provide quality service. Professional experience, A. Duration from 1st October 2017 to today. Job title, computer operator. Job responsibility, composing Bangla and English. Name of the organization, Astra Language School. Personal information. Number 1, name, Rabbi Mir. Number 2, father's name, Morshid Mir. 3, mother's name, Sabina Mir. 4, present address. 5, permanent address. 6, date of birth. 7, marital status. 8, religion. 9, nationality. 10, educational qualification. Exam, SSC, passing year 2010, group or subject business studies, GPA 4.50, Border University, Dhaka. HSC, passing year 2012, group or subject business studies, GPA 4.25, Border University, Dhaka. BBA, passing year 2016, group or subject finance, GPA 3.00, Border University, Uttara University. Then date and signature. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.